I will give you one of these. Really great tool to help you get your dough out of the bowl. Take the curved edge, just go work your way around underneath so that you release it, rather than just trying to scoop it out in one go. Flip it upside down. Can you see what I'm doing? Using my fingers to create the crust. And it's going to be very gentle, the motion you're doing. Kind of think about you're moving in slow motion. Gravity is your sous chef, okay? Can you see that as I do this, it's just pulling it round. As you tin tomatoes, getting ones that are whole and then squishing them yourself will give you more flavour. So when you're adding pizza toppings, don't be liberal with it, because the more steam you create on top, the harder it is for the dough to actually cook underneath. You can see like this, and particularly with this buffalo mozzarella, you really need to drain that off for a good time before you put it on top. Underneath, and then once it's on the paddle, you can see it. It's just a quick drop and release.